Hey there! So you've had that heart-dropping moment of reaching for your wallet only to find nothing. Your wallet made friends with the taxi seat, and now you're standing there ready to pay but completely empty-handed. No cash, no cards, no digital payment options. Total financial ghost mode. In this series, we're covering embarrassing money moment, and today, we'll walk through some super chill ways to handle this without melting into a puddle of embarrassment. First, let's see some immediate solutions when you're caught without payment method. 1. Keep your cool and be honest. First move, deep breath. Then simply explain the situation. I'm so sorry, but I just realized my wallet is gone. I think I left it in my taxi. This is genuinely embarrassing, but I need to figure out a solution. Most places will appreciate your honesty rather than watching you frantically pat all your pockets for the 5th time. 2. Phone a friend. Got your phone? Awesome. Call someone nearby who could swing by with some cash. Ask if they could transfer money to the restaurant store directly. See if they could use their payment app to cover you remotely.
Hey Alex, I'm in a bit of a situation. My wallet's gone and I'm at Cafe Luna. Any chance you're nearby and could help me out? I'll pay you back the moment I sort this out.
3. Ask about hold options. Many restaurants will let you leave something of value while you sort out payment.
Would it be possible to put the bill on hold while I sort this out? I can leave my phone number and address, or even my watch, as assurance that I'll return to pay.
4. Offer to transfer money later. If it's a small local business, they might let you. Come back later that day to pay. Allow you to bank transfer the amount. Email you an invoice you can pay online.
I know this puts you in an awkward position, but would it be possible for me to transfer the money to you once I get home? I can give you all my contact details.
5. Negotiate a temporary IOU. Some places will accept a photo of your ID, if you have it on your phone, or your contact details with a follow-up plan. Now, before we move on to how to prevent the cashless situation, we've got a whole series on awkward money moments. Find out how to deal with a gambling partner or how to actually say, "I'm too broke for this," without feeling humiliated. And hey, subscribe now so you don't miss the next story. Now, let's move on. Having our emergency situation handled, let's now see how to avoid the situation next time. 1. Create emergency backups. Stash a small amount of emergency cash in your phone case. Keep a spare card in a hidden pocket separate from your wallet. Store a photo of your ID and one credit card in your phone's secure folder. 2. Finally, set up that mobile payment. I know you've been avoiding it, but mobile payment is basically designed for exactly this scenario. Even if you never use it regularly, having it set up as a backup is total peace of mind. 3. Develop a pre-departure checklist. Before leaving anywhere, quickly pat your pockets and think, phone, keys, wallet, to catch missing items before you're stranded. And when all else fails, go with the "this is part of my story now" approach. Sometimes, despite your best efforts, you're still stuck in an embarrassing situation. When that happens, remember, everyone has been there in some form, so how you handle it says more about you than the fact it happened. This will make a great story someday, probably sooner than you think. The most confident move? Own it with a touch of humor.
Well, this is going to be a story for my friends later. Any chance you could help me make it a story with a happy ending?
Or my all-time favorite,
This is my dear money protecting me from purchases I don't really need. I'm sorry and thank you.
remember these moments happen to everyone, even the most organized people. It's not the mistake that defines you, but how smoothly you recover from it. If you found these tips helpful, check out our channel's series on surviving embarrassing money moments. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest stories and advice.